Hey everyone, Dreamegg here. Welcome back to my channel where I do hands-on research and provide honest reviews on some of the best parenting products and gear on the market to help simplify your busy parenting life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss a review. As a dad in my second round of the newborn phase, I know firsthand how hard it can be to get any good sleep during early parenthood. So today we're taking a look at a product designed to create the perfect sleep environment to help parents and babies fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. This is the Dreamegg Sunrise One Sound Machine. Poor sleep and sudden wake-ups can cause anxiety and stress. The Sunrise One combines 3 functions into one compact device: a soothing sound machine, a sunrise alarm clock, and a bedside nightlight, creating the ultimate sleep companion to help you battle these issues. Now, with so many other sound machines on the market, how does the Sunrise One stack up, and what are the differences between the Sunrise One and its closely resembling competitor, the Hatch Restore 2? Let's jump right in. The Sunrise One is a perfect addition to any bedroom or nursery, as its simple yet elevated design with its rounded shape and sleek canvas-looking face fits in with any decor style. It's a little more streamlined than the Hatch Restore 2, which is a little bit wider so it takes up less space, but both products look great. The Sunrise One has 29 different sounds, including white noise, nature sounds like rain, ocean waves, or chirping birds, as well as lullabies for a soothing experience for your little ones, so there are plenty of options to choose from, and these all come pre-programmed for free with the device. Changing the sounds is as simple as pressing one of the 2 skip buttons, and volume can easily be adjusted up or down with the 2 volume buttons on the machine. There are no mobile apps to deal with compared to the Hatch Restore 2, which works with the Hatch Sleep app, and it has premium features that are tied to an optional service subscription. Now, I do want to point out that the Hatch app and the Restore 2 must have an internet connection to function, whereas the Sunrise One does not, so do keep that in mind when comparing. The Hatch has about the same number of pre-programmed sounds, and with the paid service, it gives you access to a wider library of guided meditations, pre-recorded podcast-like content, and music, which can be great for more complex users, but the simplicity of the Sunrise One is what's so great because you get what you need without feeling overwhelmed by options. The Sunrise One comes with a LED clock display that can be dimmed using the dim-in dial on the side, which allows you to minimize light at nighttime. And as it's named, the Sunrise One offers a simulated sunrise wake-up that mimics the natural sunrise by gradually increasing light intensity over 10 to 60 minutes. This feature is proven to help you wake up more naturally and avoid that dreaded morning grogginess. To use this feature, you press the alarm button here, set the desired wake-up time, choose your sound, volume, light color options, and sunrise duration, and you're ready to go. There are 9 different light color options you can choose from, and brightness can be adjusted using the dial on the unit, so you can set the perfect mood whether you're winding down before bed, reading, or trying to wake up without that harsh beep of a traditional alarm clock. Here's a quick demonstration of this awesome feature in action. In the morning, if you need a little extra time, you can short press the snooze button to have the alarm turn off after 9 minutes, or if you're ready to go for the day, you can simply long press the button to shut it off. One thing to note about both the Sunrise One and the Hatch Restore 2 are these are not portable devices, so they do have to be plugged into function, but they do have battery backups to maintain time and alarm settings in the event of a power outage. In terms of price, the Hatch Restore 2 is still on the higher end of the scale even at their newly reduced price of $169.99, while the Dreamegg Sunrise One is just $79.99. which I think is a great value for what it offers in features and aesthetics. And as mentioned earlier, to get the full list of advanced features that make the Restore 2 unique, you do have to pay the recurring $4.99 monthly subscription cost, whereas the Sunrise One is fully functional as is out of the box with no strings attached. So if you are a parent desperate for sleep assist solutions and weighing your options, which one of these is better? Well, it really depends on your needs and budget, but the Dreamegg One is a simple, budget-friendly device that covers the essentials, and it's a fantastic option. You get exactly what you need out of it, it looks great and high quality, and you don't have to break the bank or add another monthly fee to your long list of parenting bills. If you're open to spending more and want more customization in your routines, the Hatch Restore 2 is a great option as well, and I previously did a full review on it if you want more information. I'll leave a link to that video up here as well as in the description, along with links for the Sunrise One for your convenience. I'd love to hear thoughts from other parents out there who have sound machines and if you think they're worth it. I know we love ours and will continue to use them for the foreseeable future, but drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts or if you have any questions on either of these devices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more parenting and baby product reviews like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.